Hello, welcome to CheckIn. Here we are going to unbox Lion Industries heavy-duty multi-purpose washing machine stand. I purchased this product few months ago. I was using this product for a couple of months, so here I am giving you a clarity review and unbox video. It came up with anti-skid locking feature and fully adjustable for any appliances. Here I will show you the complete product and how to assemble it. We can adjust the stand according to our appliances sizes, and best durable and heavy weight lifting PVC wheels are provided. If you guys are interested to buy, I will provide link below in the description.
Please subscribe this channel for latest updates and press the bell icon for instant notification.